In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get raid keys fast here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you need to go ahead and be in C2 before you can even go ahead and start doing that. You can really farm these on any of the islands. However, my best luck has been on the Blue Planet Island. So go ahead and teleport over to the Blue Planet Island. And once you're here, go ahead and just make your way towards the little raid shop. If you take a left from here, you're going to see this NPC, and then take a right at this NPC and make your way over to these Spirit Fighter NPCs. And there's a lot of people saying you can only use your melee skills, specifically combat, right here, and you'll have more luck if you go ahead and do that. That is actually not the case. You can use any of your weapons. I've been using my sword right here, but just farm these guys over and over and over again. They are rare, but you will go ahead and get these raid keys from them. As you can see, if I actually search for raid keys right now, I have about 207, and that's just from farming these guys right here. Now, once you do have yourself some raid keys, all you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to the raid NPC right here, interact with this guy, and of course, you can go ahead and start the raid and get yourself some raid coins or raid tokens and whatnot, and then you can come back over here and spend them on any of this stuff, which is pretty nice. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.